This video is about the website learning.org. Uh, this website I use when I send you some online exercises, and I want to talk about it a little bit. So, before you start, do some exercises, you need to log in. Where can you do it? At the up of the page, you can see the man mark, and you need to look here your login or your name. So if you see it, it's okay. But also you need to go to the link that I sent you to join my class, because there are many exercises, many teachers, and if you do it without joining, you will not save your result, and it will be bad. So first log in, and if it's your own login, you need to go to the link that I sent you. You can also see the link for every class below the video. So when you log in and you have some link to the exercise, usually it's like this: learning.org, learningapps.org/display and some other signs. So usually display, it's about exercise. When you see the exercise, you can see some marks uh, at the screen. So what are they mean? What do they mean? Sorry. This one, показать задание. Maybe you will see it in English. I don't know what language do you use. But this green question mark means the task. Usually when you open the link, you can see the task. So sometimes when it's audio task, you can see the link to the Google Drive. So when you open the link like this, you can see the audio, and you can play it and listen to. Or when you listened, you can do the exercise. If you want to see the task again, you can just click here and you can see the task. Sometimes in some videos or in some tasks, you can see the yellow bulb. Yellow bulb means the help. Some help, maybe helpful phrases, maybe some translations, maybe some rules that I want to remind you, and you can read here. Also, when you finished the exercise, every exercise has this button. You need to click on it. Every time you do some exercises, click on the button, and you can see if you answered right or not. So you need to correct, and when you corrected the exercise, you can check once again, and you click. So uh, your result must be excellent, and you can see the table that will say that здорово, хорошо, or something like this, great job, well done. So you need to see this table, because if you don't finish or if you answered wrong, it will mean that I will see in my statistics that you haven't done this exercise. It's bad. So you need to do your best and finish the exercise correctly. And I think it's all that I want you to hear from me. I wish you good luck, and if you have some questions, ask me, mm, maybe below the video, or write me to Skype. So bye bye. Thank you for your attention.